Okay students, once again welcome back and with another interesting and important and vital class of your class 10 mathematics. Yes, can you guess? Application of trigonometry. This is one of the vital question I am going to discuss for you. Okay, which will appear in mostly will face in your board exam. Okay, I hope you all are practicing for your board exam so seriously, and this problem can help you. Okay, in solving your doubt. Let's see, I am discussing one of the vital and important questions for you. Here is the problem in front of you, students. Look at here. Here is the problem is that if the angle of a cloud from h meter above a lake is alpha and the angle of depression of its cloud in the lake is beta, then you would find out the height of the cloud from the lake is h whole into tan beta plus tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Understand, this is one of the important concept and derivation you can say and over the problem based on application of trigonometry, right? Let's see now, and all of you know while we are discussing the problem application of trigonometry, first of all you should understand the diagram. Diagram is the most important concept for you, right? Understand? Okay, let's see, and what is given carefully here, the angle of depression of a cloud which is h meter above lake from the sea level, from the lake. Understand? It means what is given here. First, we'll consider. You can consider lake first. Let us draw a lake here. This is the surface of water and of lake, right? Understand? And there is a point which is h meter above the lake. This is a lake. Clear? Yes. This is a lake, and there is a point which is, let us go point is A, and which is h meter above the lake. It means here AB is h meter, right? AB is h meter, and understand? Okay, and there is another point is saying there is a cloud. There is a cloud at the point C. Okay, understand? And the object is h meter above the lake means from the point A. Here the observer from the point A is observing the cloud. Here cloud is the what? He is observing. Okay, the clouds here, cloud is the object, right? Here cloud is the object. Understand? And here the point, from the point observer is observing from the point A. So here is the observer, here is the observer, right? So here is the observer, obvious. Okay, from the point A and is observing the cloud. So what will happen here? There is an imaginary line connecting from the point eyes of the observer and the object. And that imaginary line, all of you know, what is the imaginary line? This line is known as line of sight. All of you know. Okay, and the cloud is what? What is the height of the cloud? We have to find out. This is the height of the cloud. CD is the height of the cloud. Look at, yes. Understand? CD is the height of the cloud. Is it clear? Understand? And it is saying that the angle of elevation of the cloud from the point A is alpha, right? It means from the point A we have to draw a horizontal line, right? Look at here, horizontal line. Let it this horizontal line. It means, and the observer is observing in horizontal way. Okay, let us draw an imaginary line which is AE and which is perpendicular to the line CD. Understand? And this line A is known as horizontal line, right? And it makes 90 degree to the side CD. Okay? And here the angle of elevation given. What is the angle of elevation given? Yes, can you tell? This is known as alpha given, right? Okay. And again, when the cloud is here, because this is the lake, and there is the reflection of the cloud is observed. And here cloud, the lake is behaves like a reflecting surface. Just to consider about the physics, right? Understand? Now, where is the reflection of the cloud in the lake? Understand? So, suppose the reflection of cloud is at the point M. Is at the point M, right? Reflection of the cloud is at the point M. It means M is a point where the image of the cloud is observe, right? Understand? And all of you know, according to laws of physics, yes, reflection of light in the mirror, plane mirror. Okay, what are the laws of reflection? What is the nature of reflection of light in the plane mirror? And we know this is the object and this is the image. All of you know. Okay, nature of the image by the plane mirror, according to physics, the distance of the object from the lake, which is behaves like a what? Mirror, is same as the distance the image from the mirror. Here mirror is just, this is known as the what? Lake, which is just like a reflecting surface of the mirror, right? Now you see CD is equal to DM, and because the distance of the object C from the mirror, which is CD, and same as the distance of the image. Okay, where is the distance is obtained? Where is the image formation obtained? Is at the point M. So distance of the image, which is M, from the lake is DM. So CD always equal to DM. Okay, this is one of the, in accordance with the laws of physics, according to nature of the image by the plane mirror. All of you know. Okay, then after that you see from the point A, look at here point A. Yes, and again from the point, the observer is at the point A, observing the image. Understand? So here is the object, the image is treated as the object for the observer, which is observing from the point A. Now the imaginary line connecting between the observer and the object. Just look at the arrow mark. Arrow mark is downward, means here is the eyes of the observer, here is the image of the cloud at the point M. And understand, and since the object, here is the object, and since the object is below the observer, all of you know, and the observer is above, we have to look down. So downward direction, that's why arrow mark is downward direction, and we shall get angle of depression. And angle of depression is always calculated from where? From where? From the horizontal line, right? From the horizontal line, this is the horizontal line. Okay, and this is the angle of depression, which is given beta, right? Understand? Okay, understand? Let us write down what is given in the question. Here AB is equal to what? AB is the height of the observer, which is H, height of the observer, from where the observer is observing the cloud. Understand? And CD is equal to height of the object, yes, height of the object. Understand? And DM is the, what is DM? Is the distance of the image from the lake. DM is the distance of the image of cloud due to reflection from, okay, distance image of the cloud from the point M. Here M is the image, right? And as per the laws of reflection, nature of the image by the plane mirror, the distance of the object from the plane mirror is same as the distance of the object from the plane mirror or from the lake is equal to distance of the image, which is what? DM. Understand? Now look at here, and if you see clearly, and you are getting A, B, D, C, D, E. A, B, D, this is what? E point. Look at once again, and this is a rectangle. And all of you know the opposite sides of rectangle are what? Equal. Yes or no? So you see, and what is the length of H? AB must be equal to DE. So this will be also H. This will also H, right? Understand? Okay. And you have to find out the height of the cloud. Look at the board. And here, so this distance is H, and this distance, suppose we have to find out X. And if you find out this distance, you can find out height of the what? Cloud. So the height of the cloud will be what? It is X, this is H. So it will be what? X plus H meter from the lake, right? Understand? Okay. And here you see, understand? Now see in the, there we are getting the two right angle triangle, and while we are finding the application of trigonometry, the problem based on trigonometry. First of all, your diagram should be proper, and you see what kind of triangle, what kind of triangle, what type of right angle triangle is formed. There are two right angle triangle formed, and you have to exhibit the relationship between the two right angle triangle. After that, you see one right angle triangle is what? AEC. Now in the right angle triangle AEC. Okay, note down here. One. Okay, now you see and ED. What is the length of ED? This is also one right angle triangle. AEM is a right angle triangle, yes or no? Why? Because this angle 90 degree. Understand? Is it clear? Now you see CD is equal to what? X plus H, and DM must be also what? X plus H, because the distance of the object must be equal to distance of the image, which is X plus H meter, right? Understand? This DM is equal to X plus H meter, and this is what? What is the length of this? What is the length of this? H meter. Now you can, from the point A, what is the length of EM? Can you tell what is the length of EM? The EM is also equal to what? This is what? DM is what? X plus H. Look at here, look at here. And here H, so it will be X plus S plus H, which is X plus what? 2H. Understand? Okay. Is it clear? So here EM will be X plus 2H. This will be X plus 2H. Okay. Understand? Now you see the relation between the two right angle triangle, which is one triangle is AEC and other triangle is what? Other triangle is AEM. Let's see. You know down. Okay, now you see the triangle, in right triangle AEC, first you see tan alpha. What is tan alpha? Tan alpha is the ratio between the perpendicular and the base of the right angle triangle, and here the perpendicular is what? CE, and here the base is what? AE. Yes or no? And the length of C is what? Given X by AE. Yes or no? Yes. So that implies tan alpha is equal to X upon AE, and that implies AE is equal to what? Okay, here see once again, here you see the AE is equal to X by tan alpha. Equation number 1, right? X by tan alpha. Understand? Now you see another right angle triangle, which is AEM. In the triangle AEM, look at here, the triangle AEM, right angle triangle, and here what is the tan beta? Let us find out in triangle, in right triangle AEM, tan beta, and tan beta is equal to how much? EM by what? EM by perpendicular by A. Understand? And EM, okay, perpendicular by EM. EM, what is the length of EM? The EM is already given. What you already got? The length of X plus 2H. X plus 2H by what? AE. Yes or no? In tan beta is equal to X plus 2H by AE. And if you transpose AE, will transpose that side, and AE will be equal to what? X plus 2H by what? Tan beta. This is the equation number 2. Okay, look at this. Okay. Now in the equation 1 you got AE is equal to X by tan alpha, and in equation 2 you got AE is equal to X plus 2H by tan beta. That implies what happened? X by tan alpha must be equal to X plus 2H by tan beta. Tan beta. Can you transpose this side here? Tan beta goes to, okay, here tan beta is up, transpose. After that you will get what? What you will get here? Tan beta goes to the left side, it will be X tan beta, X tan beta, and is equal to, here tan alpha is multiplied with X, it will be what? X tan alpha plus 2H tan alpha plus 2H tan alpha. Okay. Understand? Okay. Right. So once again you see, and note down here, AE is equal to X by tan alpha, and AE is equal to X plus 2H by what? Tan beta. Note down here. So X tan beta is equal to X tan alpha plus 2H tan alpha. Understand? So can you transpose X tan alpha come to left side? Can you transpose? And when transposing, while you are transposing, the sign will be changed. Yes. Look down once again. It will be x tan beta. That implies x tan beta minus x tan alpha is equal to 2s tan alpha. 2s tan alpha, right? And that implies x whole into tan beta minus tan alpha is equal to 2s what? Tan what? Alpha. Or that implies x is equal to 2s tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Equation number, this is 3. Another equation we got. Understand? Okay. Now you have to find out the height of the cloud, which is CD. What is the height of the cloud? Yes, CD. Okay. CD. What is the length of CD? Is x plus h. Now you are finding the value of x. Now putting the value. Now the height of the cloud. Height of the cloud, which is what? CD, and which is x plus h. Okay, here the value of x we got. Can you replace the value of x in this? So here replace the 2h tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha plus h. Yes or no? Yes. Can you take the LCM? Yes. What is the LCM? Tan beta minus tan alpha. After taking the LCM, tan beta minus tan alpha will be cancelled. The value will be what? 2s tan alpha. 2s tan alpha plus, and the tan beta minus tan alpha will multiply to this, and it will be h tan beta minus h tan alpha. Yes. Yes or no? Okay. Now you see 2s tan alpha minus h tan alpha. What is the value? It will be what? Yes, it will be h. Look at this point here. Understand? And it will be, you see, 2h tan alpha minus h tan alpha. What is the value? H tan alpha. So it will be h tan alpha, h tan alpha plus, now h tan beta divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Clear? Now can you bring the common here h, and can you common here h? After bringing the common, you can get h whole into what happen? After taking the common, it will be tan beta tan alpha plus tan beta, or you can write tan beta plus tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Understand? Hence height of the cloud, this is the height of the cloud we got, h whole into tan beta plus tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. This is what we are going to find out, right? This is one of the important vital problems. Okay, and here you can get the MC questions. If the MC questions, if you remember this formula, you can apply quickly, you can do the answer. Okay, understand? Is it clear? And suppose, so what is the height of the cloud we got finally? H whole into tan beta plus tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha, right? Suppose the alpha given how much? 30 degree. The angle of elevation is 30 degree, right? And beta given 60 degree, angle of depression is 60 degree, and height of the cloud suppose given 60 meter. It means height of the cloud not, it is the observer. The observer is 60 meter above the lake. Understand? The value is given, and by putting the values, alpha value and beta value and h, and if you put the value of h in the places, you can find out the height of the cloud. Okay, let's see. Note down here. Clear? Yes. Let us see. So it is one of the most interesting problem, dear students. So you see now, and you see the height of the height of the cloud. Here, what happen? You see, height of the cloud. Height of the cloud is equal to, one second item, h whole into tan beta minus tan alpha divided by tan beta plus tan alpha, right? Okay, now put the value here. Tell me what is the value of h given? What is the value of h? Yes, tell. Open mouth. So here h given out 60, yes, and tan beta, here beta given how much? 60 degree minus tan alpha given 30 degree, right? And here tan 60 plus tan 30. So this mistake, here is the plus and here is the sign minus. Sorry, once again rectify mistake. This is right, because S will be tan beta plus tan alpha. This is plus sign. So here will be tan 60 plus tan 30 divided by tan 60 minus tan 30, right? So after putting this value, what is the tan 60 value, which is root 3, all of you know, and tan 30 all of you know 1 plus 1 by root 3. Yes, similarly tan 60 root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Just you merely take the LCM. Okay, you must take care of calculation, dear students. Here 60 whole into, it will be root 3 multiply root 3, which is what? Here LCM will be root 3. Here you see, here 60 and here LCM is root 3, yes, and here root 3 multiplied root 3 because the denominator is 1, so it will be 3 plus 1, all of you know, and here 3 minus 1 by root 3, and root 3 will be cancelled, so 60 into 3 plus 1 4, here 3 minus 1 2, so here cancel 2 to the 4, 60 to the 120 meter, and height of the cloud is 120 meter, right? Yes, understand how can you apply the this type of prop? Okay, so this is the general formula you can think here. Hence we got height of the cloud, hence height of the cloud, yes, is 120 meter. So it is not interesting here, students. Okay, so try to solve the different kind of problem. Okay, I hope you will find the class interesting, and also try to similar kind of problem. Okay, I hope you will practice for your examination, for your carbon examination so seriously. Okay, take interest toward the class. Okay, once again thank you for interest and eagerness toward the class. Thank you.